How to see someone's repost on TikTok. Welcome back to another simple video, everyone. If you want to see what other people repost on their TikTok profile, simply follow my steps because it's pretty easy. The first thing that we will do is to open the TikTok application on our iPhone or Android device, and after that we'll open our TikTok profile. If you want to see your own reposted videos, then you will click on these little two arrows that are going up and down. This is going to open the repost section where you can see all the different videos which you've reposted on TikTok. If we want to check out what other people have reposted on the platform, then we will open the profile of that person and then find the two arrows one more time. This will open all of the videos which this specific TikTok user has reposted. Reposts are a great way to see what someone likes, what they are interested in, and all that other stuff. But keep in mind that not all TikTok accounts have this repost option on their profile. That is because of the user's privacy settings which they have set. I've opened a random profile, and as you can see, they don't have the two arrows on the profile, which means that we cannot see their TikTok reposts. This is because they've made their repost like private, and only they can access it. But if you do see the two arrows on someone's profile, just tap on that button and you will see other people's reposts. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.